Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to discuss how to sell AI chatbots to local businesses using Go High Level. This step-by-step guide will make it simple. I'll show you how to choose the right chatbot for your niche, set it up, find leads, and connect with clients using personalized outreach. But before we dive into the video, there's something special I want to share with you. Normally, if you go through Go High Level's website, you get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you'll receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, Go High Level Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Go High Level offers many features and it's easy to get lost. In my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Go High Level in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. They're worth $900 plus, but you'll get all that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Simply click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now, let's dive in. First off, let's talk about why AI chatbots are such a great service to resell. These chatbots have completely changed the way businesses talk to their customers. They provide instant, round-the-clock support and even help generate leads. They can handle simple tasks like answering common questions, booking appointments, or guiding people through tricky processes, all without needing a person to step in. For example, think about a busy local dentist's office. They might struggle to handle all their calls during peak times. By adding an AI chatbot, they can make sure every patient gets the help they need right away. This means more appointments booked and happier customers overall. Go High Level is an all-in-one marketing platform that helps you resell digital services like AI chatbots. It's super simple. You can take these tools, rebrand them with your own name, and sell them to local businesses at a higher price. For example, Go High Level might charge you $50 a month for an AI chatbot service. You can turn around and sell it to a client for $300 a month. That's $250 profit every single month just for one client. And here's the best part. This is a recurring revenue model. Once a client signs up, they'll keep paying you every month. That means steady income for you without having to do extra work after that initial setup. Now, let me walk you through how to access the AI chatbot feature in Go High Level. First, log into your Go High Level agency account. After that, switch to the sub-account where you want to add the AI chatbot service. Next, click on the Settings tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and click on the Conversation AI section. This will take you straight to the Conversation AI bot page. Here, you'll see a list of existing AI bots. You can also create a new one right from this page. It's super simple. To get started with creating an AI chatbot for a local business, click the Create Bot button at the top right of the Conversation AI page. Once you do that, a pop-up window will show up with three choices: General Q&A, Appointment Booking, and Start from Scratch. Since the goal is to help a local business handle customer interactions, go with Appointment Booking. This option is perfect for scheduling appointments, whether it's a dental clinic, gym, or any other service-based business. After you've picked the option, just hit the Continue button to move forward. Once you're on the bot settings page, you can set up how the chatbot works and talks to customers. For example, if you're setting it up for a local dentist's office, make sure the bot feels professional, friendly, and helpful. Give it a name that matches the business, like Smile Care Assistant for a dental clinic. Then, under the Set Bot status, choose Autopilot, so the bot handles messages on its own. After that, head over to the Supported Communication Channel section and pick where the bot will work. It could be on Facebook Messenger, website chat, or SMS. Next up, it's time to fine-tune the Autopilot mode settings. This helps make sure your customers have a smooth and natural experience. For the wait time before responding, you can set a short delay, like 10 to 15 seconds, so replies don't feel too robotic. Then, for the maximum messages, try capping it at 10. Once you're happy with the setup, just hit the Save button and move on to the next step. Now, it's time to teach the chatbot how to answer customer questions. Go to the Bot Training tab where you'll see two options: Web Crawler and Custom Q&A. Next, the web crawler helps the chatbot grab important details from the dentist's website. This includes things like clinic hours, services, prices, and contact info. Just type in the clinic's website URL, hit Get Data, and let the chatbot do the work. It'll automatically pull all the useful information for you. Next, in the Customize Bot Responses section, you'll need to add common things patients might ask. For example, you can train the bot to respond to "Do you accept new patients?" by saying something like, "Yes, we're accepting new patients right now. You can book your first appointment online or give us a call at the phone number." It's a good idea to set up clear responses for these types of questions. Another thing to add is information about clinic hours. For example, set up the bot to say something like, "Our office is open Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Make sure to include different ways people might ask these questions so the bot can recognize and respond easily to them. This helps make sure the chatbot feels smooth and helpful to anyone using it. After the bot is trained, go to the Bot Goals tab to set its main purpose. Here you'll explain what the bot is supposed to do for your business. For example, you could write something like, "You are Smile Care Assistant, a chatbot that helps patients book appointments and answers common dental care questions." Next, make sure the bot's intent is clear. For instance, you can specify, "Your goal is to guide customers to book an appointment or ask for more info about services." Plus, to make sure your chatbot works well, set it up to handle important tasks smoothly. For a dental clinic, connect the chatbot to an appointment booking system. This way, patients can book their visits quickly and easily. Once you're done with all the settings, just click the Save button to finish setting up the chatbot. After that, it's ready to be shared with the business owner. Now that your bot is ready, let's talk about how to find local businesses that might need your AI chatbot service. There are two main ways to do this. You can either search manually on Google Maps or use automated lead generation tools. If you decide to search manually, you could type keywords like dentist and the location you want to target. For example, you could type dentist Los Angeles into Google Maps. This will show you a list of local dental clinics you can reach out to. While this method works well, it could take a lot of time, especially if you're focusing on a big area or different industries. For those looking to save time and work smarter, using a lead generation service is a great idea. Tools like D7 Lead Finder make the process simple. You can add filters like industry, location, or other details, and it will create a list of potential leads for you. For example, with D7 Lead Finder, you can search for dental leads in a specific city. It costs around $45 per month and can give you thousands of leads based on your filters. This automated tool saves time and ensures your lead list is accurate and useful. Once you have a list of leads, the next step is reaching out to them. I think it's smart to use more than one way, like emails and phone calls, to boost your chances of getting a response. For example, dentists are usually busy and might not always pick up the phone, so sending an email first can work better. When you write the emails, it's really important to make them personal. Don't send boring, generic messages that feel robotic. Instead, write something that shows you understand their business and what they might need. Now, let's talk about how to write good outreach emails. From what I've seen, a personal touch works best. Instead of sending the same email to everyone with a boring subject line, make it personal. You can write the person's name, like, "Hi, Dr. Smith," and add a friendly greeting. For example, mention something specific about their work. Maybe their website talks about using advanced dental technology, or you notice they've been getting great reviews online. This shows you've taken the time to learn about them and care about their business. In the body of the email, introduce yourself and share how your AI chatbot can help their practice. You could say something like, "I notice your practice is focused on delivering great dental care, and I think our AI chatbot could make things easier by streamlining appointment scheduling and improving patient communication." Then mention a few key details about the chatbot. It can answer common questions, book appointments automatically, and provide patients with instant support. These features save time and make things run smoother for everyone. Finally, end your email with a clear call to action. Invite them to schedule a quick call or demo. This personal approach helps build trust and increases the chances of a positive response. Furthermore, if your email outreach is getting good replies, think about using virtual assistants to handle follow-ups. At our agency, we have a virtual assistant who sends around 20 personalized emails each day. That adds up to about 100 emails a week. With this kind of steady outreach, we usually land 1 to 5 new clients every month. The key here is to test your process on a smaller scale before expanding. Once you figure out what works, you can either bring on more virtual assistants or use email tools like Instantly AI to automate the process even further. It's also important to take it slow when sending a lot of emails. In the beginning, send just a few emails in the first week, then slowly send more in the weeks after. This way, your domain stays in good standing, and your emails are less likely to end up in spam. For example, send 5 emails in week 1, then move up to 10 in week 2. By week 3, send 15, and by week 4, you can send 20. This step-by-step approach will help you grow your email outreach. Another important part of selling AI chatbots to local businesses is following up. After you've sent out personalized emails, it's a good idea to make a phone call. Many people might not reply to emails right away, so giving them a call can really help. When you make these calls, use the details you found during your research to make your pitch more relevant. For example, if you're talking to a dentist, explain how your chatbot can handle appointment bookings and patient questions during busy times. This can save the staff a lot of time and make their day easier. If the prospect likes the idea but isn't ready to commit, you can offer a free demo. This gives them a chance to see how the AI chatbot works and how it can fit into their current setup. It's a simple way to show them the value without any pressure. During the demo, you can show off key features like real-time responses, handling FAQs, and making booking processes smoother. These examples can help address any concerns they might have and build their trust in the product. Of course, not every prospect will say yes right away. Some may have objections or concerns about investing in an AI chatbot for their business. A common concern is the cost of setting up an AI chatbot. To overcome this, you can offer a payment plan or even a free trial period. This allows the prospect to see the benefits of the chatbot without committing to a large upfront cost. But once they see how it can make things run smoother, keep their customers happy, and even save them money over time, it gets easier to show them why it's worth it. They'll see the value, and you'll have a steady income coming in. For example, if it costs you $50 and you charge $300 a month, they're getting a high quality service and you're securing a reliable income. It's a win-win for both sides. Another concern might be whether a chatbot can really replace human interaction. To address this, share examples of how chatbots have worked well in other industries. For instance, a local fitness center used a chatbot for class registrations and saw big improvements. It cut down waiting times and made the customer experience much smoother. By using real-world examples, you make your point more believable. It shows that your solution isn't just an idea, it's practical and effective. Moreover, Go High Level's reselling model makes it easy to grow your business by adding more services as you go. After selling AI chatbots in one niche, you can try offering other services on the platform. These include things like reputation management, email marketing, or even website design. This multi-service approach makes you make more money while positioning yourself as a go-to digital marketing provider for local businesses. It's a simple way to increase your value and stand out in the market. For example, you could sell AI chatbots to dentists and later add SEO services made just for dental practices. You can even include tools to help them keep a good online reputation. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. If you want to try Go High Level, click that link in the description. If you use my affiliate link, you'll get a 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. Plus, you'll gain free access to my Go High Level Jumpstart course, where I'll walk you through everything you need to know to set up and launch your business successfully within those 30 days. On top of that, you'll receive over $900 worth of premium Notion templates, all for free. Just click the link below to get started and claim your bonuses. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Your support means the world to me, and it helps me create even more valuable content for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.